Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh said that the epicenter of terrorism still remains focused in Pakistan. Addressing a joint media interaction after talks with the US President Barack Obama, Dr. Singh said that he will be raising the issue of terrorism when he meets his Pakistani counterpart Nawaz Sharif. Dr. Singh also said that he would be meeting the Pakistani Prime Minister in New York on 29 September, but cautioned against holding high hopes from the meeting in the backdrop of recent terror attacks.
We have also discussed our relations and our approach to dealing with Afghanistan and Pakistan. I explained to President Obama the difficulties that we face given the fact that the epicenter of terror still remains focused in Pakistan. And I look forward to meeting with President Nawaz Sharif, even though the expectations have to be toned down given the terror arm which is still active in our subcontinent.
Issues related to terrorism, trade and investment were the major discussion topics of the meeting between Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh and the US President Barack Obama. Along with regional and international level discussions, the leaders also stressed on strengthening ties between the two nations.
We have a wide-ranging security cooperation in battling terrorism, and something that Prime Minister Singh obviously is deeply concerned about, given the impact of terrorism on India. All of us remember the horrible events that took place in Mumbai, but as recently as the last few days, India continues to suffer from terrorist attacks. Our hearts go out to the families that have been impacted. We have enormous commercial ties between our two countries, and in fact, bilateral trade between our two countries has gone up by 50% just over the last several years.
The meeting between Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh and the US President Barack Obama has cleared the path of progress on the issue of civil nuclear power between the two countries. An agreement has also been sealed between India's nuclear operator NPCIL and the US firm Westinghouse.
We've made enormous progress on the issue of civilian nuclear power, and in fact has been able to achieve just in the last few days an agreement on the first commercial agreement between a U.S. company and India on civilian nuclear power.
Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh said India and US are indispensable partners.
I have come here to thank President Obama for all that he has done to strengthen, to widen and deepen cooperation between our two countries. I explained to the President that India is a poor country. Our basic task is to improve the standard of living of our people, to get rid of mass poverty, ignorance and disease, which still afflict millions and millions of our people. And in that struggle, we want America to stand by our side, and in the President of the United States has a leader who realizes and recognizes the contribution that a resurgent India can make, not only to fighting poverty, but also to global peace and prosperity.
A joint statement was also released after the meeting, which called for dismantling of terror network in India's neighborhood and also asked Pakistan to bring to justice the perpetrators of 26/11 Mumbai attacks. President Obama and Prime Minister Singh condemned terror in all its forms. Both leaders reaffirmed commitment to eliminating terrorist safe havens and disrupting terrorist networks including Al-Qaeda and the LET. Leaders called for Pakistan to work towards bringing the perpetrators of Mumbai attacks to justice. The Prime Minister and the US President discussed a host of issues, particularly the situation in Afghanistan and Syria. Soon after a meeting with the US President Barack Obama at the White House, Dr. Singh has reached New York to attend the UN General Assembly session.
After a very productive meeting with President Barack Obama in Washington, the Prime Minister has now arrived in New York. For the next 2 days, the focus will be on his address to the UN General Assembly and the meeting with the Pakistan Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif. With cameraman IPS Ahluwalia, Mayank Agrawal, Doordarshan News, New York.